We now move on to sum number 6, and it says write three negative integers just less than minus 12. Sum number 6, you will write the instruction. Then you will write minus 12. And they have asked us to write integers less than minus 12. Less than minus 12. So here I don't have to write integers greater, I have to write integers smaller. And negative integers, the bigger the integer, the lesser is its value. The smaller the integer, the greater is its value. So I will not write minus 11 because minus 11 is greater than minus 12. Remember that. So to write smaller, I must go away from the 0. That means after minus 12, I have to go to minus 13 because minus 13 is smaller than minus 12. So the numbers would be minus 13, minus 14 and minus 15. Now I write greater numbers because the value is smaller. They have told us to write numbers less than minus 12. In the previous sum, I was writing smaller negative integers because their value was greater, because they had told us write three negative integers just greater than minus 9. So when it's greater than the number, then you have to write smaller numbers. When it is smaller than the number, then you have to write greater numbers. But that's how the number line works. That's how negative numbers work. The greater the negative number, the lesser is its value. The lesser the negative number, the greater is its value. So numbers that would be smaller than minus 12 or less than minus 12 are minus 13, minus 14 and minus 15. Remember, I am repeating myself again and again in each and every video that I am posting to you, that you need to get used to visualizing the number line. No problem with the positives because the positives move to the right, they increase and decrease as per their value. 14 is greater than 13, 13 is greater than 12, 12 is greater than 11, 11 is greater than 10, 10 is greater than 9 and so on and so forth. The greater the number, the greater the value, the lesser the number, the lesser the value. But in negatives, the greater the number, the lesser is its value. The lesser the number, the greater is its value. Because in negatives we move away from the 0, the values decrease. When I come closer to the 0, the value increases. So minus 12, if I am writing numbers less than minus 12, they will be minus 13, minus 14, minus 15. I have to go away from the 0 for the value to go on decreasing because they said less than. Had they said greater than, then I have to go closer to the 0. That means the numbers that would be greater to minus 12 would be minus 11, minus 10, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0 and all the positive numbers. So I would have to move closer to the 0 for the value to increase. In negatives, away from the 0, value decreases. Closer to the 0, value increases. So numbers that are smaller than minus 12 are minus 13, minus 14,